vacation.
Yeah. And by us, I mean me.
Quite a quick trip. It's massive. Look at that place. Stupid. What are you doing?
I want to hear your noise.
No, I don't have a noise.
Put the light on you. Come on.
No,
Come on.
stop it. You're driving.
So, you're making a weird noise.
No, I'm not. Go home. Jared, you're gonna be divorced. You're gonna go through the big D, and I don't mean Dallas.
I'm just listening into the noises that you're making.
Oh. Stop.